Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the additional of the weekend edition. Yes, it's the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, January the 25th, 26th, 2025. It's actually today, Sunday. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. But you are interested in this one. Yes, it's the binary puzzle number 9975. Well, after this one we have 25 puzzles left. Yeah. Alright, counting down. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1, between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes without comparing. And I like this one. So either do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional. It's the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.